Broadcast Lighting Kit. Desktop lighting for video conferencing, self-broadcasting, and live streaming. The Broadcast Lighting Kit is a fully adjustable professional lighting setup for your home, office, or studio. Equipped with multiple mounting options for your desk or computer, you'll quickly be looking like a pro on your next video call or live stream. Tripod base, suction clip mount. Tripod base included. Designed for video conferencing, self-broadcasting, and live streaming. Suction cup. I already have this on another one at home. Works awesome. Here's the stand. These come down. Incredibly thin. Wow. Wow. And that is the Lumecube LC Panel 112, LCE Panel 112. Lumecube Panel Go. 3.5 volt. Cool. This little cap comes off. Comes with a female USB to USB-C adapter and regular USB to USB-C adapter.